Hi everyone, let's talk about how to use Coinbase Instant Cash Out feature. So to use the Coinbase Instant Cash Out feature, you must first convert your crypto into a local fiat currency balance and then withdraw it directly to an eligible Visa or Mastercard debit card or a real-time payments bank account. This feature typically delivers funds to your account within 30 minutes, though a percentage-based processing fee applies. So to link an eligible payment method, standard bank transfers do not support instant processing. You must link a network supported option. So to link an eligible payment method, you have to link a Visa or Mastercard that supports Visa Direct or Mastercard Money Send. Then link a US bank account compatible with FedNow or real-time payments network rails. Now to sell crypto to your fiat balance, open your Coinbase app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now go to My Asset at the bottom of your screen and then select the cryptocurrency you wish to liquidate. Now tap Sell and then enter the amount and choose your local currency wallet as the destination. Now select Review Order and confirm by tapping Sell Now. Your fiat cash balance will update instantly. So I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.